Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're an OG on this channel, thank you for always coming back. And if you're new and this is the first time you're watching my video, welcome to my channel. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Ontario, Canada. And in today's video, like you have seen in the caption, I am going house hunting. So I recently relocated to Canada and I'm here to view some houses with my realtor. So this is like a condo townhouse and we are going up to view this very one. This one is a 2-bedroom 1.5 bath house, and yeah, so we're just going to view it. It goes for $2,600 Canadian dollars, and this is the landing area. It's actually not so big, but given the price, actually I think it was a good one, but we didn't really dig it and we didn't go for this one. So this is just the landing area. Kitchen is to the left. This is the kitchen, and that card is like, those are the agents that have come to view this place. So like I said, the price is actually good. So looking through from the veranda, you can actually see the parking, visitors parking area, and even here the owners parking area as well, the tenant parking area. You see it marked. So I just came outside to like see what the view is like from the living room. And yeah, it's actually is okay, but it wasn't just exactly what we're looking for, and it wasn't also so neat. There were marks on the wall, and the place is so small. Like, where will you put your TV and all? Setting up was going to give me a headache. But moving into the kitchen area, we were looking at the fridge, freezer, like all the amenities that come in with the house. And we even got to notice that there was actually no microwave, which is somewhat different from how the houses in UK are. You get like full white goods. Also, there are some white goods here, like the fridge, freezer, the cooker, and the dishwasher. But it's more like microwave is not regarded as one of the white goods in Canada, because even the other ones I went to view as well, microwave was not there. But this also has like a lot of storage spaces, and I was just opening like to check those spaces and see what they have there, or if it was actually functional as it should. That's the dishwasher there. The kitchen too is actually okay, like for the apartment. It's not big and it's actually not small really, but I just think the living space was really so small, and the marks on the wall was actually one of the reasons why we didn't take care at the time. Then going upstairs, where I'll show you guys, but that's the extractor again, and they've taken it out. I don't know why. But now we are moving upstairs to check the room. This is the master bedroom, and it's also small. And I'm just like, why is everywhere so small? Because once you can't even, I don't think you can fit in a king size bed into this room. So more like you just have to make do with a queen. And the storage is small, like very small for a master bedroom. No, it's actually really small. And then going into the restroom as well is so small, and because the restroom up here is actually what both rooms are going to be using, so it's really small. The door wasn't working properly, so you can actually be in the restroom and someone can open from the outside even though you've locked it. So it wasn't working well, and the agent contacted landlord, and landlord said they're not fixing anything. So we just had to like, this was not going to work. But this is all there is to the bathroom anyways. So from this master bedroom you can go into the bathroom. Then this is the second room, and this room is actually very big, like way bigger than the one they call master. So I was saying here that I thought that I'm thinking that this is the one they want to use for master before. They may be trying to fit in the toilet, wasn't going to work, and that was why they just made this one the master, the other one the master. But the closet space is also the same. Like it's not any bigger. It's just there. They were not giving us that bed though, or giving it to the tenant. I think they were still going to come and take it out. This is the utility room for this house, but at this point we're just no longer interested, Jerry. We just wanted to like go and view the second one. So just went back downstairs, went to check the guest bathroom that was downstairs, and really we're just checking out of this one to go and view the second one that we had for the day. And our realtor was the one that was taking us around, which is one thing I like about house hunting in Canada in comparison to the UK. You have to like leave work to go and house hunt. You're not going to fit your schedule into their own, but here they actually do that. So follow me, let's go check the second one. So coming from here inside, so that's the door. Then there's a cloakroom here. So let me show you guys the view. Like door, cloakroom. So just coats and all I know. That's it. Then turn around. This living room is actually bigger, but there is actually no light in the living room itself, so you depend on the natural light. So when it's winter or something, it can also be depressing, or you need an additional lighting for this room, because the only light that they have is the one from the kitchen as well that just feeds into the living room. So the living area itself has no lighting, and that was not what we wanted. So they say this place is den. It has a den. So when you see house and den, don't go and be thinking that you're going to call a house and then you use it for a room. This is all the den that is den. Excuse me. Then the Long Island fridge, freezer, microwave, oven, and cooker. No microwave. Thanks to my husband, I even noticed, because I didn't notice that. Huh? Okay. Then, what is it called? Dishwasher. So, going. This is just first bath room. So it's like the guests' toilet and bathroom. And laundry space. Laundry. Start laundry. Okay. Okay, let's go to first room. So just from the restroom, first room. It has small windows. Yeah. This is the window. It's windowy. So you have so much of natural light. Means that you can sleep off and forget that you have work. And this is the pata bedroom. So is a shoot on sway. It's on sway. Actually fine shadows. And this mirror is giving. It's giving C-fine, girl. Hey, C-fine. Anyway, that's not the mission and vision statement of this video. Yeah, you go. And it's rugged though, which I like, Shabbats. Anyway, the money is plenty. This particular one was going for 2,800 Canadian dollars, and is actually part of a condo townhouse as well, but it's in lower part. That's why the windows are smaller. We didn't take this one as well. That's because it was giving basement vibes with a small window. Why should I take a house with a small window when I can get a basement for cheaper, right? And there was no lighting as well. And from the UK, we are big on natural light. Also, we don't like the open concept parking. Till I come your way in my next video, please like, share, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.